Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Kaufmo from the Amazing Digital Circus. It's going to be simple, easy for beginners, okay? So let's get started. 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, you're going to know how to draw this guy, okay? So stay with me. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to draw a curve for the front of the face. Like that. Just like a curve, small curve. Going to go over here. Curve for the top. That's going to be the bottom of the hat. I'm gonna go over here on this side. Down right here. Pull this down a little bit more too. Okay. If you're a fan of Amazing Digital Circus, let me know. Tell me in the comments. I'm really curious. I want to hear about your stuff. Definitely let me know what you think about Amazing Digital Circus. All right. So this is his face plane. And, well, okay. We're going to go into his hat first. So his hat, imagine like a straw or a piece of yarn wrapped around his head. So we're going to give this a little bit of thickness, but it's going to be thin, that edge of the hat right there. Over here on this side, up over here, down, and put a ball at the end of that hat. Doing pretty good so far. I'm digging it. All right. Gonna go over here now on this side. Smile, kind of like that smiley. And you want to give that smiley a little bit of depth. So imagine that, like we're gonna give that like thickness. It looks like Play-Doh right there, see? And then we're gonna draw a thin line in the middle of that Play-Doh right there. Oh, that made some sense. Let me know if that makes no sense, by the way. Say, hey, what's up? How's it going? Okay, let's go right here to the eye. Little O shape. Beady little eye compared to everything else. Gonna go over here. Triangle above the eye. And over here, triangle aiming downward. Over here on this side. Same thing. Triangle aiming up on the top, and then triangle aiming down. A small triangle, really tiny. It's got little beady features, right? Something to remember. Line it over here, line it over here, line over here, line over here, line over here, line over here. Cool. So that's gonna be the scrunchiness of the collar there, that clown collar. And now we're gonna go over here like this. We're gonna draw the wiggliness of the collar right there. Over here now. Out. Down. Cool, cool, cool. Over here on this side. Curve up. Over here on this side. Curve up over here. And then we're gonna go kind of to the clown's body over here, this guy. Pull down. So overall, the shape of his body, it's gonna get bigger as it goes down, but not by much. But on the way down, we're gonna have a ball shape kind of around the chest. Go down over here. You can see some of the ball shape there, right? There's like these little balls stuck to the front of the costume out over here. See how that's bigger down here on this area? And we're gonna curve inward on this side. Down over here, down over here. Over here on this side. So we got his leg, that's going down. Same thing with his leg, by the way. This one's gonna be bigger to smaller. Over here on this side, bigger to smaller. Curve underneath. Down, back, over here, down, back, curve underneath, straight across for the shoe right here. It's gonna be a little bigger at the end of the shoe. So kind of remember that big to small stuff, because a lot of that stuff's gonna play in. It's gonna play in. So like, again, it's a little bit, if you look at the overall shape of his torso, it's gonna be a little bit smaller here, and it gets a little bit wider, because it creates dynamic. So it's not just like a flat character, right? There's a little bit of a dynamic there, just to kind of remember that. Don't forget, by the way, hit the like button if you like this kind of stuff. If you like learning how to draw, hit that like. You can go over here now. Curve for the thing on the wrist. It's like, what do you call it? It's kind of like, cuff. It's like the cuff of the wrist here for the glove, really. Up over here. Out. This is gonna bend. So that finger, curve back. Gonna go here, up, down, curve back. Up over here, down, curve back. We just give them 3 fingers like that. That'll work. And if you want, you can throw the thumb over here. It's like a curve right there. And he has another ball shape kind of over here as well, kind of sticking out over there, because there's like 3 ball shapes on his torso. So just kind of remember that. Okay, let's go over here on this side. His arms are like tubes, pretty much, and like, so line. We're gonna keep it going over here. Imagine it kind of going through here, and it's gonna appear over here in this area, and over here in this area. Curve underneath, down, line over here. So for the cuff on that side. We're gonna take care of the thumb first. So kind of S curve. That's the thumb. Out over here. Hand. Out over here. Hand. Palm of the hand. And there you go. That's pretty much the end of that Kaufmo. I think that's how you pronounce it, right? Let me know what you think about Kaufmo. Share the video, by the way. That's a big help. Go check out the playlist. There's a playlist on Amazing Digital. By the way, you can also fix the lines here a little bit if you want, like afterward. Maybe make a couple of lines on the outside thicker to kind of give it a better look. But go... Oops, it easy. There you go. But, God, sorry, I'm like losing my train of thought. Basically, go check out the playlist. I go over how to draw every single... so I'm just putting a little bit of a thicker line on the edge here. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.